This is Bob Schmidt. I wanted to put together a short video to give you some more information about the Inventor's Blueprint for Success and what content is included in this package. It is a PDF and I can go through the details of what is all included. I'll switch to screen mode so you can check it out. Okay, so what you end up getting is a PDF of over 300 pages, so 329 exactly. And what that includes is a PDF of my Inventor's Workshop book, How to Develop and Market Your Inventions. This is a book that I market on Amazon in Kindle, paperback, and Audible format. So that gives more details on my experience being an inventor over the last 25-30 years. What's worked, what hasn't, how you protect your invention, how you prototype, how you do patent searches, and how you market to try to find someone to license the invention. So that book, my recommendation is to read those contents first, and then what I've done is I've put together a number of slides to support that book, getting through more information on my inventions, how you do a patent search, how you prototype, and getting more in detail on patents and trademarks and copyrights and licensing and marketing. So what this package also includes is some bonus material. So what I've done is I have kind of separated this based on my inventions. And for instance, my hitch and plow invention, I have a utility patent application, a copy of my granted utility patent, provisional patent for some design enhancements, and then a marketing presentation. So that information is very helpful, so you can see how you are protecting your IP and how you are also trying to market your invention. I've done the same for my spot and hitch invention and my polar pipe invention. So if you go online, you can actually download a number of pages from this package. This is the table of contents that kind of shows you where this material is at. So there is also a video where I go through those slides. So this kind of shows you, you get a link and you just click on play, and I explain the slides.
An example of a basic non-disclosure.
So that's just, it's about an hour video, kind of walking through all those slides I showed previously. So what you do, you start by reading the paperback, so the first part of the presentation. Then you watch about an hour presentation going through the slides, and then you have the support information to help you write some of your own patent applications that you can later have an attorney review and submit for you. Hopefully you like this package. It is available now for $29.99, and it's immediately delivered to you once you pay via PayPal. Hi, again, it's Bob Schmidt. Hopefully you find this information interesting. It's very helpful for new inventors and people that have been inventing for a number of years. Lots of good inventor resource links and knowledge to make sure you don't waste any money developing your new products. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at bob@schmidtproducts.com. Thank you very much.